For those who don't know me or haven't seen my videos before, I'm Joe Mrozek. I'm a freshman in college and I want to start my own business. I've always wanted to start my own production company, ever since the 6th grade, when I was inspired by the internet video production company, Rooster Teeth, to start writing my own scripts.
What are you talking about?
Look at all these scripts. I wrote these in between classes with my friends when I was 12. Did they ever get made? No. But did they get me more interested in film? They sure did. Lately though, I've been more inspired by creators like Casey Neistat and Peter McKinnon and their videos and their entrepreneurial ventures. But I have been motivated by many other films, TV shows, and YouTubers, but they're the ones that really motivated me to start my own company. I won't be going through this journey completely blind though. I have 3 things that'll help me out on this journey. My senior year of high school, I attended this program called the Entrepreneurship Academy that has a curriculum completely built around starting a business, and it's a year-long program. I also have many friends and mentors who will help me along the way. For example, my friend Max Mirho, also known as the Entrepreneur.
Check out his videos, they'll be in the description below, they're pretty cool.
Finally, just the internet. Believe it or not, there's millions of free resources on the internet and get you anywhere you want to go.
Really?
Yes, really. So I can't wait to start this journey, and I'm happy to bring along anyone that I can on it with me. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy this video, please also subscribe. It'd make my day, and positivity is important. Thank you for watching.